What is that, Yana? Did you say, wow, that's nice? Hatag sang ate. Oh, go.
I opened it. I opened it for you. Let's open it.
Mm-hmm.
Open it. Wait.
17th monthsary yan Yana. Kagwapa sa mong. Oh, sing. Wow, singer. 17th monthsary and we are going to play area. We're leaving already at Miranduna. Hey. Sarian Yana. Go. Yay! Ale. Lalaw ko rin no. Uy, kalaw man nila. Lalaw kay te. Yan na. Oh. Saturday. Ala yan na. Uy, kalisod sa. Uy, kalisod. Yan na.
Mommy, look at me. I'm so happy.
You're so happy? You're so happy? Whose Mansari it is today? Oh, so what will you say to Yana? Happy Mansari Yana and thank you Ate. Well, yes. Hey cow. Cow, cow, cow. Oy. What is Yana doing there? Yana. Hi. What green?
That one.
Bantay. Uy, Yara. Bi. Ayo. What are you doing? Go. Wow. Oh, Yana. Ari na sa red. Oy, ari. Careful. Anya sa te. Yay! Ano sa? Wow, yan na. Ay, sorry. Yay! Wow, yan na Hala, kamao naman ugunit. Wow! Maigo si Anyana ha? Uy! You're like ako Hold, go. Go! Okay, go! Sharing is loving. Uy. Yes, wapa si ate, wapay mo. Kuan dito. Go. No, nganyan na biya kiata Biya sa La, dili na siya magwanti. Dili siya tarapikas dito yung platuyok. Di, ayaw na. Na, kadap kag anak. Yana, pila man na. Look, daghag anak yan, Yana. How many anaks you have? Uy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, you have 7 anaks, Yana. So many anaks you have. Okay. Your mini anak is crying. What would you do? Oh, your mini anak is crying. What would you do to your mini anak? Oh, to your mini anak. What would you do to your mini anak? Ay, asa man ani mo dadaan nimong mini anak? Asa man na? Oy, ilabay mang anak. Oy. Need help ka? Dili ra. Kawat, kawat. Dire ra daw. Koyo. Anli. Suko lagi ka. Yana, other side. Go to the other side. Dili na maabli diha. Ate, I saw you. Come here. Oh, who's not letting you play? Wait, sa. Ayaw sa. Kaya ni mo, te? Gi. Ana siya, te. Go. Very good. Dadagan na, te. Bi, ayaw sa. Bi, ayaw pala kawasihan niya na. Bi! Ana lang. Can you do it? You want help? Isa. Isa, kalit. Talikod. Okay, hold ha. Yeah. Hold. Okay, good. Okay. Wow. Okay. You okay? Ooh. Oops. Ambak man ka.
The girl who was training you, she called me back.
Why?
She said, this is not supposed to be shell. This is supposed to be shell.
Shared bitaw ang.
The girl who was training you, said, no, this is not for shelling.
Oh, she said? Oh,
But it's for shelling.
yes.
I said, it's for shelling. But she said, over there, shell.
You can't help but find kids like that. So you just have to tell them that this is for sharing.
Excuse me.
Oh.
Excuse me.
What happened? What do you want?
Oh my goodness.
They're sharing. Okay. She looks like Serenity. You notice me? She looks like Serenity. Kulit mo sayaw. Oh, Kuya Wayana, go. Wow. Ipa, go. Oh. Wow, here you go. Dan si Rose man dahil ning duha, oy. Oh. Yana, look at Ate B. Ate, oh. Di, face off mo ate ko, di. Dance off. Go. Ato na siya.